Let's take a look at how to change a wear plate on a PMV. First, remove the alignment pins from the end bell on the side that needs to be changed. The set screws will need to be loosened so the bearing will be able to move freely. Next, loosen and remove the bolts holding the end bell and wear plate. Make sure at this point to loosen the seal ring so the packing will be able to easily slide off with the end bell. Now you will be ready to remove the end bell. Slide it off carefully and set it aside. Next, the wear plate should slide right off. Make sure to wipe down the new wear plate before installation. Slide the new wear plate onto the shaft and up against the rotor and barrel sides. Now slide your end bell back on. Put the 4 alignment pins back in, then the bolts. Then you'll need to tighten the bolts to secure the wear plate and end bell to the PMV. Make sure to tighten the seal rings to prevent leaks. And don't forget the set screws on the bearing. Congratulations, you successfully changed a wear plate on a PMV. For more videos, check the website to help you with your other precision needs.